Oh, so the gate goes down. Check the little ones there. First time out at the National Series. These guys are looking good. Energy, 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 energy. As they go around, these are the new ones that in the future you could be seeing them racing that National Series. Some of them are really good already, but maybe just ain't got that confidence to come and step it up just yet. These young ladies, these young boys, racing all the way through the weekend. Check him out, he's putting a real stomp point there. Check his face out, he's really gritting those teeth. And check these little ones at the back. These are the ones that are doing their thing. Come on, pedal, pedal, pedal. Come on, here comes the little 4-year-old Matilda's little sister working it. Check it out. These are the whippets and they come down the last straight. Give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. For me, Patrick Whippets. Somebody down there, Betty White. Young lady down there. Make sure she's alright. First time out on the track at the National. Uncle Nigel White got her up on her feet. How is she there? Yeah, that's right, Nigel. Come on, Nigel, get her strong. Yeah, she wants to get back on her bike. Yeah, just helping her up. Here we go. Give her a